Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello there, everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. And most of all, I hope you are staying safe. Guys, I want to tell you what I'm doing today. It is time to hop into spring. And in order to do that, I'm participating in the Hop into Spring Tablescape 2020, hosted by none other than the lovely Thrift Queen. Guys, there weren't a lot of rules for this collaboration. Basically, we could use any color scheme we wanted, just really come up with our idea of a spring tablescape. So what I did, of course, you know, we have to kind of shop our homes right now. It's not like we can go out and buy anything new since everything's closed, but due to that darn coronavirus. But anyway, so what I did is combine the colors, looked around my home, found some things I had, and I'm combining pink, white, and silver for my tablescape. Now you'll see for my foundation, I have some pink satin fabric. I have my Lazy Susan on top of that and some white votives. And then in the middle, that's a vase that I've had for years. It's a Waterford crystal vase. I don't even remember where I bought it. And I did use it recently in another tablescape. But what I did for this one is just switch out the topper, which is a floral DIY that I did some time ago. And again, you've seen that one as well. But to change it up, I added those pink sparkly Dollar Tree picks just to give it a little different look. Now the placemats are silver. I got those a long time ago at Burlington, and silver chargers that I've had forever. Some white and silver Dollar Tree plates, pink bowls that I got on clearance at Walmart, and then some teacups that I've had just forever. And just the ordinary silverware placement, standard silverware placement as far as the silverware. The napkins I bought at Home Goods some time ago, and the napkin rings are Dollar Tree napkin rings. Now, guys, the glasses, I think I got those at Home Goods or Ross, but I've had those forever. And that's really it, guys. And of course, I've got my little bunnies that I picked up at Walmart. So guys, that's all I have, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to be quiet now and just let you kind of enjoy the tablescape. But I do want to give one more shout out to Thrift Queen. If you have not subscribed to her channel, I hope you do that. She's got some great content. I was really glad that I found her on YouTube, and I think you will be equally pleased. And again, if you're not a member of this channel, please hit that subscribe button today. Hit that notifications button so that you'll be updated every time that I upload new content. So again, thanks for watching, guys. Have a fantastic day. Please stay to the end. Enjoy the video, you know, where I'll be showing you the tablescape. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Thank you.